What's up guys, this is Lucas from Miner. So, remember these? The unkillable Z15s from 2020. 420 kilo hash, kilo souls each. Still dusted, still dented and still mining. Bitmain is making the Z15 Pro 840 kilo souls. Double the hash rate and I kind of love it. But showed up at our door is not 840 kilo souls machine. Let's open this thing, and the thing is, very standard Bitmain box. Over here you can see Z15 860 kilo souls. So this is it. Over here, Ethernet port, LED indicators and reset button and IP reporter button, and for firmware update you can use this SD card. There are two intake 12 centimeters fans. Over here, this power source is having dual C13 connectors, which is older design. Z15 Pro, fresh from the factory. Bitmain is pushing these out right now. Bitmain didn't announce this. They didn't rename Z15 Pro. Their own website shop, bitmain.com, still lists Z15 Pro as 840 kilo souls. But this is what's shipping now, 860 kilo souls. Okay, enough talking. Let's plug it in and see what happens. We have about 18 watts, so the control board is booting up. Power is on, fans are spinning. We are about 80 decibels. You can choose whatever pool you want. That's about it. Safe, and now we are going to mine. It takes like 15 to 30 minutes to fully stabilize the miner. 1200 kilosouls per second in real time. That's both. That's actually both. This machine, 860, it's more than double. One Z15 Pro replaces two of these units with better efficiency and same total power draw. Enough is enough. Silence. I love it. Let's break down all three versions. The original Z15 420 kilosouls at 1510 watts, 3.6 joules per kilosoul, making about $20 a day each right now. The old Z15 Pro batch, 840 kilosouls, 2780 watts at 3.31 joules per kilosoul. The new Z15 Pro batch, 860 kilosouls, same 2780 watts at 3.23 joules per kilosoul. More hash for same power. At current Zcash prices and network difficulty, the 860 version is pulling roughly $45 to $60 a day. Based on recent data is around $51.04 per kilowatt hour. That's over $1,500 a month from one miner. The price on one miners for the new batch is $4,401 USD, $50 a day average. That's a return of investment in about 3 to 5 months depending on the Zcash price swings. At one miners, we got 7 hosting locations on 3 continents. Nigeria, 4.7 cents per kilowatt hour. Ethiopia, 5.4 cents. Dubai, 5.7 cents. Texas, 6.5 cents. South Carolina, 6.5 cents with 20 megawatts. Finland, 6.5 cents. Norway, 7.8 cents. We are offering 7-year prepaid hosting plan. Pay upfront for 7 years of hosting and you will get 30% discount that brings your rate down to 0.045 USD per kilowatt hour. AI smart mining that can boost your revenue 6 to 115% through automatic optimization. Integrated exchange services convert your Zcash to Bitcoin, and you can manage everything from your mobile app, Android and iOS. We also have buy now, pay later, 25% upfront, 3 months installments, so you don't even need full amount. If you got old Z15s, keep running them. One Pro replace 2 of them with better efficiency. Z15 Pro 860 is available now at oneminers.com. April batch 4,401. September batch 4,999. Ship it home or host it with us on the 7-year prepaid at 45 cents per kilowatt hour. Best value deal we offer. Check our product page on oneminers.com. We keep it updated. And come see us at BTC Prague 2026. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.